Howdy, y'all. We're going to talk about Classlink. So, you ever found yourself going to a website and thinking, oh, wait, what's my password? What's my password here? Okay, I've got a sticky note with that on around it somewhere. Don't do that. Don't do that. Or you're like, oh, wait, it's that same password, just maybe an exclamation. Oh, that didn't work. Or, oh, no, I have a spreadsheet with all my passwords in it. Don't do that either. Or we just end up having to go, I forgot my password, and just resetting the whole thing. Or we get to the point where I forgot my username. It's supposed to be my email. Maybe it's something else. Or what's that program that we use every 3 months and I forgot what it was? We can also kind of save those. So Classlink is called a single sign-on solution, which safely and securely stores our username and our passwords for us and fixes all of those problems, and even makes bookmarks for us. So let's go ahead and take a look at how Classlink works. The first thing we're going to do is how to get there, and then we're going to talk about just making some tweaks in your settings. So how do we get there? Option number 1 is you click on your ESC12 bookmarks. And at the very bottom, you'll see SSO Classlink. Now, it's important to remember that all of this stuff, other than Classlink, is going away. At some point in time, you're going to click this bookmark button, and SSO Classlink is all that's going to be there. That's it. Because all of those things will live in Classlink instead. But you've got some time. Take your time. The other way to get there is to type in like a web address, which is sso.esc12.net. And then hit return or enter. And so the bookmark or typing in sso.esc12.net will take you to the same place. You'll see a sign in with Google. You'll click your sign in with Google button. And it might ask you to go ahead and put in your ESC12 credentials, your email and password. I have two-factor authentication set up, so I just got a text message that will allow me to put my code in. Now, when you sign in for the first time, you're going to see a blank spot for a photo. It's going to ask you to pick a photo for your login. It's kind of a security photo. You'll click on it and you'll have probably about 30 or 40 icons to choose from. It's important to remember what picture you choose because you will have to choose that picture every time you log in. It's kind of a two-factor authentication, not quite as secure as a text message, but it is one more thing that someone else would have to have in order to get in. Just don't forget, just remember the picture. Just do that. So once you're in, the first thing we want to do is look at your settings. So over in the top right is your profile. So go ahead and click that button right there. And we're going to say My Profile. So under General, you can change your information, your image, default language, time format, all that good stuff. Change that in General. Themes and colors. You can change how Classlink looks. You can pick default font, thin font, what color you want for the top bar, what your custom wallpaper is, those kind of things. Your password locker, so you can go in and edit any of the passwords you've already put in. You can leave sign-in options alone. You only have one. And two-factor authentication. So if you would like to, instead of using image, you can use a phone number or an SMS text. So the way that you do that, you would click there, click on phone. You would then enter a phone number down here, and you would say verify. It will send you a code. You put the code in that you get on your phone. It'll verify that, and then from that point on, every time you log in, you'll get a text message instead of having to choose a picture. It's totally personal preference. You can do whichever one you are most comfortable with. So remember, that's how you log in with the bookmark and sso.esc12.net, and then your settings are over here on your picture and under My Profile. Let me know if you have any questions.